I try to make these quick tip videos really quick, but the factory service manual gives you a lot of hints as to why the car would not idle very good. You just kind of have to, sometimes you have to read between the lines. But on the pressure regulator on the rear throttle body, the pressure regulator is a diaphragm operated relief valve with injector pressure on one side and air cleaner pressure on the other side. So you have fuel pressure from the injector on the top side of the pressure relief, the pressure regulator, and air cleaner pressure on the bottom side. So it's one of the things, the pressure between the two throttle bodies will always stay whatever your car runs at, 11.5, 12 psi, whatever that is, because the front throttle body has a fuel pressure compensator in it. So when the fuel goes past that compensator, that's going to hold the pressure and balance the pressure between the two throttle bodies. And one of the reasons if you have a stock Crossfire, one of the main reasons to keep the thermostatic air cleaner or the Thermac in good working order is because of the air cleaner pressure on the pressure regulator inside the rear throttle body. It says very clearly, check for presence and condition of air cleaner to throttle body gaskets and the cover seal, which are 24 sealed gaskets on both throttle bodies where the air cleaner goes down, sits down on top of that. But you can look at the front throttle body with the compensator in it, the fuel pressure compensator. You can see when the fuel goes past the front injector, if the diaphragm and the compensator didn't close, when the rear injector opened up to spray fuel, the pressure in the line between the two throttle bodies would drop to 0 without the compensator to hold the pressure between the two. So it isn't like the pressure regulator, but it plays just as important a role. But it's basically about maintaining a steady pressure by using air cleaner pressure and fuel pressure, fuel in the line. It's about a balance between the two throttle bodies.